Smoothie by Reese Witherspoon today. Gina, are you ready for breakfast? Are you a morning person?
I can technically get up in the morning, yes. Will I be happy and chipper? I don't know, no guarantees.
All right, we're gonna put some energy into you with Reese Witherspoon's green smoothie that she posted on Instagram. And it's supposed to give you beautiful skin. And I mean, she like walks with a lot of pep in her step. So I'm hoping that that translates to Gina and I. So let's get started and start blending everything. Gina, what do we start with?
Let's do it. We start with a lot of greens. So, 2 romaine lettuce, which I'm already like, okay, we'll see. It looks like a lot, but I'm gonna do it.
I've never put lettuce in a smoothie before, so I'm a little nervous.
What's next? Once you get the lettuce in, you're gonna put in more green. Add some spinach. Mine's like full.
Fear not, she does take like a spoon and you shove it a couple times, so I think it'll be good. But the fun part is like the extra fruits, right? So we're gonna add in a whole apple, and we're gonna add in a whole pear. We're gonna add in some banana, the insides of a lemon. So we just cut all the lemon rind off. All right, and that is it, guys. This looks like it's gonna be really thick. What?
One last ingredient.
Oh.
Looks like water, but it rhymes with coconut. In our family, in our smoothies, it's like a good opportunity to sneak in some extra healthy nutrition that the kids won't know about. So for me, I'm gonna add some flaxseed, which is good for the digestion, and some chia seeds. I'm gonna sneak this in.
Reese Witherspoon does say that you can add in some celery, and then you can add in a little creaminess by adding some almond butter. So I'm not adding either. I'm not the biggest fan of celery, and I don't want to add any of that creaminess, and I just want like that full, beautiful, bright flavor. So let's get started.
You're my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and stupid.
It makes a delicious sound when you pour it in.
With you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high.
Is this smoothie going to be as delicious as Reese says it is? Oh, and by the way, this isn't exactly Reese's own recipe. She says that she got this recipe from Kerry Washington when they were seated together at an awards show. So she's got beautiful skin. So
Yes.
let's try.
Cheers to beautiful skin and
Cheers.
good health. You see how I'm chewing my drink?
You know what I thought I wouldn't like? I thought I wouldn't like the romaine lettuce in here just because I don't think I've ever had a smoothie with lettuce. If you were worried about the romaine lettuce, do not be, because it doesn't give you any kind of flavor at all.
If this was colder, it would have been better, but I like this. This is good. And the amount of green we put in, I was thinking like, oh, I probably will need more fruit. I didn't. This is really good. I think my kids will actually like this, and I don't have to force them to drink it.
She said in her video that if she makes a big batch, she'll put it in the fridge for tomorrow.
Well, I've read that the vitamins actually, to maximize getting the vitamins, you have to drink it like within the first half hour. So if it sits in the fridge, there's a chance that you won't get as many vitamins if you drink it the next day. But it's also better than chocolate milk. So hopefully with us testing it, you're willing to test it at home too. Thanks for joining, and as always, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, so that you'll get notification of our next fun video. See you next time. Bye.
Good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space.